In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can inspect your weapon here in Delta Force. This is going to work whether you're using a controller or a keyboard and mouse, but before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. Now, if you are on a controller, the first thing that you're going to want to do if you do want to inspect your weapon here in Delta Force is actually just bring up the weapon window by clicking the left D-pad button. Now keep in mind, in order to do this, you are going to need to be in the firing range first. So first, obviously make sure that you're in there and then hit that button. And as you can see, it's going to pull up an option that looks like this. The first option up at the very top is going to be your inspect weapon button. So that's going to let you check out your weapon just like so. And honestly, the animation looks pretty cool. That being said, if you are playing on keyboard and mouse, all you have to do is simply just press the I button and it's going to automatically inspect your weapon. You can also use this method to inspect your sidearm or even your melee weapon. It's completely up to you because they all work the same way. But that's really all there is to it. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.